Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Easy Maths Learning. Today I am going to explain you how to find out the LCM of two and more numbers by prime factorization method. In the previous video, I explained you how to find out the LCM of two and more numbers by the division method, and in this one I am going to explain you how to find out the LCM of two and more numbers by the prime factorization method. So let us first see how to find out the LCM of two numbers. I am considering 20 and 25 now. So let us prime factorize 20. Now while doing prime factorization, we know that we will have to first see whether the number is an even number. I see yes, 20 is an even number, so I start dividing by the lowest prime number, that is 2, and I will continue dividing by 2 as long as there is a multiple of 2 in the quotient. 20 divided by 2 is 10. I again divided by 2. I get 5. Now 5 is a direct multiple of 5, so I write 5. Now 25. 25 is an odd number and is a direct multiple of 5, so I divide by 5. So I again divide by 5. I get 1. Now I write them in product form of prime factors. So 20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5, and 25 can be written as 5 times 5. Now while finding out the LCM by the prime factorization method, what we do, we consider the highest occurrence of any of the numbers used as divisors. Okay, so here I can see 2 is a divisor while prime factoring 20, and it has occurred 2 times in 20. So 2 we will consider twice. 5 has occurred once in while dividing 20, but it has occurred twice while dividing 25. So we will consider 5 2 times. So now my LCM is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 5 is 100. So the required LCM of 20 and 25 is 100. That means 100 is the smallest number or the smallest multiple of both 20 and 25, which can be divided by 20 and 25 individually without leaving any remainder. So I write down required LCM is 100. Hope this process is clear to you. Now we will find out the LCM of three numbers, and let's see how we do it. So here the three numbers I consider are 20, 25, 30. So first I prime factorize 20. I know this is an even number, so I divide by 20. Sorry, I divide by 2. Now I divide 10 by 2 again, I get 5. I divide by 5, I get 1. 25, it's not a multiple of 2. And it's not even a multiple of 3. So I start dividing by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. I again divide by 5. So this is 1. Now 30. 30 is an even number. So I start dividing by 2. I get 15. Now 15 is a multiple of 3 as well as 5. So what should I do? I should first divide by 3. Why? Because after 2, 3 is the next biggest prime number. We always move from smaller to the bigger ones. So we now divide by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. I write down 5 like this. Now I express these numbers as the product of their prime numbers, prime factors rather. So 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. 25 is 5 times 5, 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. So I am going to find out the LCM now. As we all know that we have to consider the highest occurrence of the divisors. So I consider 2 times 3 occurs only once while dividing 30. So I consider 3 once. Then I see that 5 has occurred 2 times while dividing or factoring 25. So I consider 5 2 times. Now let us multiply these numbers and get the LCM. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60, and 60 times 5 is 300. So 300 is the smallest number which can be divided individually by 20, 25 and 30 without leaving any remainder. So 300 is the smallest common multiple or the least common multiple of 20, 25 and 30. So I write down required LCM 300. Hope this process is clear to you. If you like my video, if you like my explanation, please don't forget to like and share this video so that it can help others also. And also please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions of if you want to know about solutions of any sum or want to join my tutorial, please get in touch with me on my mobile number given here below in the comment section and in the caption section of this video. Thank you.